Commissioning ceremony of PMSS Job built for Pakistan Maritime Security Agency was held at Karachi Shipyard and Engineering Works on 9th August 2018. Vice Admiral Abdul Aleem, Hilal-e-Imtiaz Military Chief of Staff Personnel, graced the occasion as chief guest. The ceremony was attended by high-ranking officials and distinguished guests. 600 tons maritime patrol vessel has length of 68.5 meters and breadth of 8.7 meters. It can achieve a top speed of 27 knots. Managing Director Karachi Shipyard, Rear Admiral Athar Salim, Sitara-e-Imtiaz Military, in his welcome address said that construction of PMSS Job has certainly enhanced our capabilities of indigenous construction of warships. The chief guest congratulated and said it is yet another landmark project that speaks volumes of the evergreen friendship between China and Pakistan. The ship was handed over by MD Karachi Shipyard to DG PMSA. After visit on board and group photograph, the chief guest departed from the ceremony.